Good Monday morning to Carlos, Maripaz, Olivia, Jerry, Adriana, Daniel, Tiziana, Sophia, Akash, Juan Diego, Rafaela, Daniela, Amparo, Anastasia, and Luciana. I am so excited to meet you all this morning. Please log on to Zoom with me, Miss Melvin, a little bit before 8:30 so we can start promptly. Today on Monday is always Mindful Monday. So every Monday morning we will do a mindfulness activity together at 8:30 and it will be prompt. You need to be prompt. You need to be on before 8:30 so we can get started right away because at 9 o'clock you must log in for Spanish. I will also explain how our class routines will look like, and I really look forward to seeing you all soon. So I will see you shortly.